the shuttle.
Hell yeah! Just for the blog about a guy who's school bus.
If I hit anyone, promise you I'll erase the footage.
All right, we're heading up to New York City again this week to go visit Paula Rizzo, one of our customers. She has multiple businesses she runs. She's a best-selling author. Excited to get to know her a bit more and see kind of what she does day to day. So we're excited to learn about her business and also what she's doing with AWeber and her email marketing and kind of her tips and tricks and whatnot that we'll be able to kind of go behind the scenes with her with. So excited for that.
I've been coming in and going out today, but like hopefully we missed the
Yeah.
You're saying from your end?
No, I'll show you.
Share the road.
Watch out.
Here with Paula Rizzo from List Producer. We're here shooting a quick little customer story video with her in her apartment, in her place of work. But I wanted to take just a few minutes real quickly to talk with Paula about her email marketing and get some ideas and some tips from her on what's worked well for her in her email marketing over the years and in selling her books and her courses and so on and so forth. So Paula, thanks so much for sharing with us.
Of course.
So what's been like the most effective things that you've done with your email marketing, best tips that you can share with other people who are trying to get started with email marketing?
So some of the most effective tips have been really to just write emails that I want to get myself. So just think through what are the best emails I've ever gotten from people I don't really know, because then I'm able to think through, hey, I could just write this like I'm a friend of this person. So that's been a really helpful way to be thinking about it.
Cool. So obviously you've been building your list over time. What have been the most effective strategies or tactics that you use to grow your list?
Speaking has been a huge, huge way to bring people into my email list. And then guest blogging has been another way to be able to use other people's platforms to say, hey, here's what I know, maybe you want to follow me over here.
Cool. Where can they go to learn more about you and what you do with your business?
Sure, so you can go to listproducer.com or paularizzo.com.
Cool, and you have a new book.
I do, my new book is called, I do have it, yes. I have both of them. I'll show you this is the new one. So this is the new one. It's called Listful Living, a list-making journey to a less stressed you. So
cool.
It's meant to be written in. So it's got a lot of like cool prompts and stuff in it. Cool. Yes. And the first one is tried and true list making. It's called Listful Thinking.
Cool. And they're both available on Amazon
everywhere.
and other places. So.
Yeah, in bookstores all over the country.
Cool. So go check them out. Awesome tips on productivity. Paula's an expert when it comes to productivity. Former broadcaster.
Yes.
Made lots of lists over the years. So, but thank you so much for having us.
Of course. It is fun, yeah, and it's like to not be so stressed.
Today's shoot went well. Paula's amazing on camera, no surprise, she's got the media training. But the thing that really stood out to me the most is her passion and her drive to continually do new things. She was in production for CBS. Then she didn't find the passion there, and instead of just going, well, it's a great job, I'll stick with it, she decided no, she wanted to do something else. She had that entrepreneurial spirit, and even with that, she continues to do side gigs, other media trainings. It's just, I can really respect, and it's awe-inspiring, that passion and that drive to do new things, to constantly improve oneself.
I think it's neat to see someone that really wants to make sure that they're segmenting their audience and tailoring their message to those segments from within their audience and not hitting the wrong people with the wrong message. And that really sees email as a two-way conversation. She loves when people will get back to her and she manages her own email and doesn't outsource that to her VA or anything else, and loves to correspond with people from her email list. I think that's really neat to see, and I think that's what we try to remember so much at AWeber is it's human-to-human interaction. It's not, kind of mass-produced interaction, it's one-to-one, and that's really cool. Plus, it's just a lot of fun to work with somebody that's successful in their field and kind of has her background and fun backstory.
If you'd like to receive more behind-the-scenes and educational videos about email marketing and automation, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to get notified of new videos.